Hi everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to make swatches of this brand new set of metallic alcohol inks. This set of inks comes from Let's Resin and comes with 24 colors. In this set you get a very nice selection of metallics. We got some golds, some gray, silver, copper, bronze, and more. To make our swatches, I'm going to be using this mold. This one is actually from a calendar kit, but it comes with these numbers embedded on it. And so what I'm going to do is match these numbers up with the number that I wrote on the bottom of each bottle. That way I can reference the swatches to the bottle. So let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm going to be using the Let's Resin Fast Cured Epoxy Resin. These resins cure in 4 to 10 hours, which is faster than a typical 24 hours for regular epoxy resin. So here we're going to go ahead and mix the resin. The Fast Cure resin is a little bit thicker than the regular resin. Let's go ahead and fill the cavities with our resin. And now we're going to go ahead and drop 4 to 5 drops of alcohol ink into each of these cavities. For these swatches, I'm not going to mix the ink into the resin. I'm just going to drop it in and see if it sinks. If the ink sinks, that can create some very cool effects. Alright, now we just have to let it cure. Alright, so our pieces have cured. Let's go ahead and take a look. Put this up against the white background. So this first one is gold. Here is royal gold. Here's olive gold. Here is champagne gold. Rose gold. And rich gold. Here is sparkly brass. Brass. This is bronze. Bronze gold. Sparkly copper. And red copper. Here is copper gold. Coffee. Brown. Reddish brown. Purplish red. Wine red. Here is black. Here is black silver. This is silver. Here's gray. Here's white silver. And finally, we have pearl white. And what I love about these alcohol inks is that they actually sink. Since I didn't mix the alcohol ink with the resin, you can see droplets of ink sinking into the resin as it cures. So I think you can create some very special effects using these inks. Alright everyone, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!